There is a simple digital product on Etsy you can sell now and start earning over $1,000 in monthly revenue. This very product has already brought in $12,000 in total revenue for this store. The best part, it has minimal competition. So if you're interested in boosting your store revenue, keep watching as I guide you through on how to use AI to create a simple digital product like this. And also, I'll be sharing a link granting you access to over 100 prompts for a digital product that is making a lot of money. Now, let's get straight to the point. This product is known as Shabby Chic Junk Journal, featuring a floral design with various theme colors. And what grabbed my attention about this product was the bestseller tag on it. Upon analyzing this product, I observed it has already generated 4 sales in the last 24 hours. And another interesting part, I could tell from the numbers of reviews that this product is really doing well. And what's even better, it has been rated 5-star by almost every customer. And here's another store benefiting from this design with a substantial numbers of positive reviews. But before delving into selling this product, I felt the need to ensure that the reviews were from recent purchases. To verify this, I adjusted the sort by to most recent, and I was able to confirm that the majority were indeed recent. Additionally, when you see a product receiving a high volume of reviews within a single day, it indicates strong market demand. Now, to determine how much this product has made for this store, I use Alura, a paid tool for Etsy analysis, by entering the search term into the keyword research option, and I could gain insight into how much each product has made in this design category. And for the products we are looking for, it's currently ranked as the second highest in sales, accumulating over $12,000 in total revenue. With information like this, it's convincing to say that we have discovered a potential digital product you can add to your store. Now, before I continue, I would like to mention that there is a store currently generating significant revenue by selling a similar product, and I have added over 100 prompts in my Patreon for anyone who is interested to start this business. Link will be in the description. Additionally, I would like to give a huge shout out to Valerie for her incredible support. Now, back to the design. I'll utilize ChatGPT to generate the prompt, but before proceeding, I'll create a sample prompt by describing one of the competitors' product images, and I like splitting my prompt into 3 sections for simplicity, and I'll use ChatGPT to create more variation from this prompt sample I created. I also instructed it to focus on changing the theme color similar to what this seller did with different theme colors, and you can see ChatGPT did an amazing job generating various prompts solely focusing on the theme colors. Now, to test one of these prompts, I'll be using a mid-journey alternative called Canva AI, which I recommend as the best alternative when it comes to generating this type of design. To begin, I use A4 as a canvas size. Then I will search for Magic Media in the app section, which happened to be the AI we are using. After pasting the prompt, you notice that I was given 500 tokens to use every month, which is equivalent to generating over 1,000 AI images in a month. Before hitting generate, I'll change the aspect ratio from square to portrait, and you can see the result came out looking good. Additionally, I could click on these 3 dots and choose generate more like this to get more variation from that one AI image I fancy. Once you've chosen the image you prefer, adjust its size to fit the canvas before exporting it. Now, your product is ready for sales. However, there's a clever trick to outsmart your competitors by checking what customers dislike about their product. Simply switch the sort by to lowest rating. In the case of this product, many customers are unhappy with the downloading process. To enhance yours better, consider adding all your design in a Google Drive folder and using the link to create a PDF page in Canva. To accomplish this, navigate to Canva and search for PDF template and choose the one you prefer. Then add a download now button by searching for it in the elements section and include the text instructing the customers to click on the button. Now, to make the button clickable, select the button, click on the 3 dots, swipe to the end and choose link. Copy the link of the Google Drive folder containing your design and paste it here. After exporting it as PDF, your button will be clickable for anyone with access to the file, and this ensures seamless access to your design for potential customers. At this point, I want to give a huge shout out to those who have watched this video until the end. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this in the future.